Today we're going to be working with words in the at family. So the first thing we're going to do is write our family in the attic of the house. So this is the at family. Let's segment it. It should be at. Since this is a word family, all of our words will end with the letters A and T, and they will all rhyme because they have the same ending. The only sound we need to isolate is going to be the first sound. So our first word is bat. So let's isolate that first sound. It's b-at. So what says b? We're going to put a B. We're going to put our ending, and we have bat. Our next word is cat. Cat. Let's isolate that first sound. The first sound is k. Now there's two letters that could say that sound. We have the option of C and K. In this case, it's going to be a C. So we have k, at, cat. Our next word is going to be fat. Let's isolate that first sound. It's f. So what says f? That's going to be an F. F, at, fat. Our next word is going to be hat. Let's isolate the first sound. It's h. What says h? It's going to be an H. H, at, hat. Our next word is mat. So let's isolate the first sound. At. The next word is pat. Let's isolate that first sound. P. What says p? I'm going to write a P. P. At. Pat. Our next word is rat. Let's isolate that first sound. What says R. At. The next word is sat. Sat. Isolate that first sound. S. At. The last word is vat. Isolate that first sound. V. What says V? That's going to be a V. V. At. So that is our at family.